I can't believe what I'm about to say. But Lisbon might just be the most stunningly inclusive city in the world. Yes! Whether you're Black, LGBTQ+, or both, Lisbon sets the bar for an unforgettable travel experience where everyone is celebrated. Let me take you on a quick tour. Imagine starting your day on the cobblestone streets of Alfama, Lisbon's most historic neighborhood. Here, colorful tiles whisper centuries-old stories, and the air is filled with the sweet aroma of fresh pastries. Don't miss a pastéis de nata. Next, head to the LX Factory. This hidden gem is a creative hub where artists, designers, and restaurateurs are redefining modern Lisbon. Grab your coffee, explore boutique shops, or strike a conversation. It's all here. Feeling like sun and waves? Just 30 minutes from the city center, you'll find Praia de Carcavelos, a breathtaking and welcoming beach. You can be yourself, reconnect with nature, and embrace the crystal waters. But wait, nightlife lovers. Lisbon's queer scene is buzzing. Club Finalmente and Bar 106 are just two of many spaces full of love and energy, where diversity not only exists, it thrives. What makes Lisbon extra special? It's the people. Their warmth and open hearts make every traveler feel at home. So what are you waiting for? Skip the places where you're just tolerated. Instead, come to Lisbon where you'll be celebrated, inspired, and treated like family. Are you ready to pack your bags yet? Lisbon awaits.